Arrange the two documents in the Primus-K window. Use drag and drop to insert one or more activities in the required point of the activities table. The copied activities maintain all data, quantity, duration, productivity, periods and the bar in the time schedule. A group of activities can also be copied with all the data for each activity. Keep the original arrangement of the imported group. Drag and drop one or more folders. Activities inserted in the activities table are automatically copied in the document's activity list editor. Also view the resources of any analyzed activities.